Did you notice that your tomato leaves curl or roll? There are three possible reasons, from absolutely harmless to deadly. Let's see. There's probably even more than 95% chance that your leaf rolls like shown on this video. This is very harmless and it's caused by transpiration. Basically, it means, for example, that it's too hot and your plants lose too much water, so they roll their leaves so that they can lose less water. If it's older leaves, it can be also similarly due to excess deleafing or a wide variation between day and night temperatures. If you do not see any diseases or pests, then not much is required, except that you can look into improving your watering patterns. The other two reasons are pretty bad. On this picture, you can see different tomato viruses, and on picture B specifically, you see curled tomato leaves, which are caused by one of the viruses. There is no treatment. You should destroy affected plants, dig it out together with the roots, and burn. Viruses are spread by pests, so it's also very important once you burn it to spray your whole plantation with biological pesticides to prevent any further spread of those viruses. If your leaves are twisted and curled like you see now on the picture, then it's very likely that it's a damage from herbicides. It's possible that the mulch that you are using was treated by herbicides when it was growing. And it's also possible when you used the soil where, for example, you had a lawn and you used a lawn weed killer before planting your tomatoes in the previous season. There is not much you can do to treat. If not the full plant curled, you can still get some harvest, but otherwise just remove the plant and throw it away. Oh, and subscribe to learn more.